Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn a new lesson of English Balbharti Standard 1, Unit number 8, Lesson number 2, Tommy is lost. Listen and read. Once there was a boy. His name was Joy. Joy had a dog. The dog's name was Tommy. Joy liked Tommy very much. Joy said, "Come, Tommy, let's go for a walk. It's very hot. We will go to the pond." Joy and Tommy began to walk. The pond was inside a forest. Suddenly, Tommy saw a fox passing by. Tommy ran after the fox. "Stop, Tommy, stop!" shouted Joy. But Tommy did not stop. Joy ran after Tommy, but he could not catch Tommy. "Oh, Tommy is lost!" cried Joy. Joy sat on a stone and sobbed. "Tommy is gone and I'm lost. What will I do?" he cried. Then Joy saw Tommy coming back soon. Joy hugged Tommy and cried in joy. "I'm still lost, but I have you," he said. "Don't worry, Joy. I know the way," said Tommy. "We'll go," and Tommy and Joy reached home safely. So, dear students, moral of the story is that never leave your parents' hand on a trip.